All right, this is July 2020. I have the MonsterBass Regional Pro box here. So the Regional Pro box is the blue box, and then there's another box which is the green box. This one is for the South, so I'm in Texas, so it kind of includes a lot of the southern states. So in theory, a lot of the baits and colors and things are kind of curated to the conditions where you're at. So if you're in a different region, you might get different colors, maybe slightly different product. I haven't looked at the box yet, so we're gonna look at it together. One of the things that I believe this month and next month with MonsterBass, they're doing takeover boxes. So that at one point they did a Strike King box, they're doing like a Lunkerhunt box, and I think there was another one they're doing after this. I think this one is the Lunkerhunt box, if I remember correctly. So when we open this up, we'll probably see a lot of Lunkerhunt, but that isn't necessarily what you're gonna get every month. So here we go, right off the bat. Yep, looks like Lunkerhunt. So we've got a Phantom Spider. What's interesting about these baits, a lot of people might be surprised, may not look at creature baits, but bass will pretty much kind of attack anything. So they also have obviously frogs, there's rats. I've seen some other kind of like lizards, things like that. So that's one that, definitely would be worth a shot. In fact, I might actually try throwing this a little bit later today. And I'm going to a place with a bunch of lily pads and stuff like that, so I might be good. I might do that today. Let's see here what we got next here. There's a Lunkerhunt Crush. So little details on this here. It's a floating popping bait, and so it gives you a little bit of info. So you have 0 depth, 2.5 inches, and then the weight is 1/3 of an ounce. And then this is in the chrome color. So that could be fun too. So far, good choices. I think right now, some top water stuff wouldn't be bad. Ah, there we go. Another top water. I might just take this whole box, just run it today. So here's a Lunkerhunt popping frog. Same sort of deal here. So it just talks about kind of the action of it. And I think I have one of these as well. And so, when you pull them, it's kind of cool. Looks like a real frog swimming. Let's see here next. We've got a Lunkerhunt. So these already have hooks in them, or come with hooks. And then these are kind of like I don't know if I guess it's kind of as a frog. I don't know if you can see on the detailing there. Or like a lizard, so you can kind of see I guess maybe it's yeah, I don't know. Doesn't matter. It still works the same. And then here's a little bit of information here on kind of how to set that hook. For weedless setup, next is the Lunkerhunt Catch Big Fish. What do they call this? They don't have yeah, that's what it is. But anyways, same thing here. It's got some rigging tips on it. Let's see what this is called. Lunker Sticks. And this is a coffee red-black fleck. So that's cool. Again, a lot of these things would probably be good to throw this time of year. So kind of good selection there. And then it's a set of Daiichi hooks. I imagine that this 3-pack of hooks probably goes with those. Sticks. Let's see what else is in here. Here's a Lunkerhunt newsletter giveaway. So a little bit of, and then 20% off coupon for the Lunkerhunt store. Let's see what else we got in here. I saw one more thing down there. And then let's see here. We've got a swim bento. And then same thing here. So it recommends you kind of hook this up with a weight and roll with that. So I don't think there were weights in here. I didn't see any weights. So that might be something you have to add to make this complete. And then last bait here, this is a Yappa. And so this is kind of interesting. I think I actually threw one of these and actually lost it the other day. But it's kind of got this wide mouth here, so it moves a lot of water, creates a lot of disturbance. So that is cool. I don't know what this is supposed to look like. It almost looks like a fly. Some sort of big water bug. And then, you can see it's got some weedless hooks here in the back. And then, let's see, we got a Lunkerhunt sticker, a MonsterBass sticker. And it looks like there's a little brochure here that has a little bit more about, so some of the stuff we saw here. So here's the Phantom Spider. There's the Yappa that we're talking about, the bento, some of the frogs, popping frog, and the lunker sticks. So they kind of highlight a lot of the stuff here in this box. So if you're counting, that was one, let's see, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, basically 7 different baits, 3 soft plastics, looks like 4 top waters. Again, perfect for this year, set of hooks. And then we'll just kind of see how this is going up through the box. Oddly, you know, neither here nor there, but I did notice when I picked this box up out of the mailbox the other day, it felt like it was one of the heavier MonsterBass boxes that I got. So, not that weight is necessarily an indication of quality. It did feel pretty hefty, and as you can see, this box is pretty loaded out. I didn't get it packed right, so I can't even get all this stuff back in here. So, cool box there for July 2020 from MonsterBass. Again, this was the Regional Pro Series box for the South. And then next month, I think they're doing another takeover box. They did the Strike King takeover box a couple months ago. So it'll be kind of interesting to just kind of see what those boxes look like. But again, I think I may actually just throw maybe some weights in here, and I may actually just take that whole box today and just fish it instead of taking my whole setup, because I think these are all pretty applicable, and that was kind of what I was thinking about throwing today anyway. So pretty good selection, pretty good setup for the conditions here in Texas in July. So see you guys again next month with the next MonsterBass. And here in the next couple days, I should be also uploading a mystery tackle box multi-species pro video. The box was supposed to be here already, but for some reason there was a shipping delay, so it may not be here till later this week. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for your time. Bye.